release iOS 17.2 for the masses, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about everything new related to iOS 17.2. So make sure you watch the video till the end because I don't want you to miss out on any amazing features which are included in iOS 17.2, and mind you, it is a jam-packed update. So this is me Samir, you guys are watching iGeeksblog, and without wasting any time, let's start today's video. Okay, so let's start with the update size, and as you can see, iOS 17.2 stable build come approximately with 6.39 GB, and that is huge. But this update holds some amazing quality live features, so the huge size of this update is justified. Now let's go into the settings and check out the serial number. As you can see, iOS 17.2 and the serial number is 21C62, and this is the latest serial number we get on this build. Now let's start with features got added in iOS 17.2. But before talking about the features, one app also got added in iOS 17.2, and that is of course the Journal app. If I just open this app, this is pretty blank right now because I haven't added any entry in this app. But I assure you that I'm gonna make a dedicated video on Journal app, how to use it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and wait for that specific video. Journal app also has some splash screens. I have updated this iPhone 14 Pro as well, and over here if I just go into the Journal app, so as you can see, this is new splash screen we get in the Journal app. If I just tap on continue, so this is again the basic layout of the Journal app, as you can see over here. So now let's tap on add icon, and as you can see over here we get some suggestions given by the Journal app itself. Review your recent moments, write about it, or have you had any dream recently? You can also write about it. What's something you have learned and enjoyed recently, and how could you do it more often? So these are some suggestions given by Journal app, and if I want to add a new entry, I'm going to tap on new entry, and over here I can write it, add photos, and do whatever else I want. I can also add locations and voice notes and whatnot else. I'm going to make a dedicated video just like I said, but now this is what we get. Journal app is there in iOS 17.2. Now let's talk about another feature which got added in iOS 17.2, and for that we need to go into the settings, tap on action button, and as you can see, translate is a new function which got added in action button menu settings, and to trigger it I have to tap and hold the action button, and over here we get some amazing UI, and my English is being translated into Spanish and it looks amazing. The UI UX of this translation is just fantastic. Another feature got improved, and that is AirDrop, and as you can see over here, these were two functions which were given by Apple in the previous stable update, but now you can also share your boarding pass, movie tickets and whatnot else with AirDrop. Only caveat is that you need to have those passes in your Apple Wallet. Unfortunately, India doesn't have Apple Wallet, so for Indians, this feature could not work. But in US, for our global audiences, this feature is just amazing. Improved version of AirDrop. Not only that, even the older generations of iPhone, for example, iPhone 14 series and iPhone 13 series get Qi charging 2.0 support. That means now you will be able to charge those devices with up to 15 watt of wireless charging speeds. So it feels good that Apple is still serious about their older phones, older generation phones, and they're giving them updates via software on regular basis. Hats off to Apple for doing that. Now let's talk about one feature which was asked by many, and for that we need to go into the settings app. From here, sound and haptics, and now we are able to change default alerts. Previously we got locked out and Apple didn't allow us to change default alerts, but now we have the options, and not only that, we also get the classic tones option if you want to feel some nostalgia. But thank you Apple for adding it, because this is not a very big feature but quite a handy feature for sure. Now for the music listeners out there, Apple introduced some new features in the Apple Music app as well with iOS 17.2, and to check them out we have to go into the Apple Music. Let's go into the playlist, and over here we get a dedicated playlist by favorite songs. Each and every song you favorite will gonna be added in this playlist by default, making your search for music, favorite music, quite an easy task. Over here, for example, I've added quite a few songs, but if I just go over here to browse section, and it will gonna take some time. It has to be loaded first. Okay, so it has been loaded. Now let's go to archives, and if I just add a song to my favorites, and if I just go into the library, and as you can see over here, the song has been added. So now if you're talking about settings, one more music related settings got added in focus mode, and to check it out we have to go into the settings and of course focus, and let's select do not disturb, and if I just scroll down, add filter, and over here we get a dedicated section of music. What it does is it stops your music history. That means if you enable DND and if you listen to some music on your Apple Music, that music won't be added into your listening history, making this feature quite a useful feature, because if you're like me, loves to listen some soothing music while sleeping, so this can actually stops your listening history and your future sessions won't be affected by that soothing music. Camera also get a new feature, and for that we need to go into the settings and of course back, cancel, back, and if I scroll down and tap on camera here in format, so spatial video for Apple Vision Pro is the new setting which got added in iOS 17.2, and let's turn it on. And let's go into the camera app. As you can see here, we get a toggle. If I just tap over here, this feature will only work in landscape mode. It won't work in portrait mode, but Apple has added it. That means Apple is damn serious about their spatial video capabilities for their iPhones and the ecosystem they're gonna build with Apple Vision Pro. Apple is also saying that they have improved focusing capability of telephoto lens in iPhone 15 Pro Max and of course in 15 Pro. So earlier the telephoto lens used to focus a bit late, but with the latest update Apple is saying they have fixed it. I haven't tested it yet, but once I have, I'm gonna let you guys know for sure. So now Siri also gets some new set of features. Siri is able to now access your health data. You can ask Siri about your last night's sleep or how many steps you took today, and many things more related to health. Siri will able to answer you without any problem. So now let's talk about new widgets, and over here this is a new widget added by Apple in the Clocks app, and this is an interactive widget because as you can see over here, as the time passes by, with each and every second there's an animation over here which looks quite good. Not only that, 3 more widgets are added in Weather's app. If I just go over there and choose weather, so as you can see this is a detailed widget, and if I just go over here, daily forecast and sunrise and sunset widgets. So as the name suggests, tells us about the time when sun is gonna rise or gonna set, and the daily forecast again, as the name suggests, will tell you about the temperature it's gonna have on daily basis, and of course details will gonna tell you about today's temperature, precipitation, wind, UV index, and what it actually feels like. So these were 4 widgets added in iOS 17.2. Talking about weather app also get a new feature, and if I just go down and tap over here, so as you can see right now it is showing precipitation, but if I just tap over here, select wind, so we get the wind direction map. Earlier this wasn't present. We have to open a third-party app or go to a third-party site to access this information, but Apple has implemented this directly into the Weather's app, and this looks quite good as well. Messages app also gets some new set of features, and to check them out we need to go into the Messages app, and for example this is a chat we have open, and this is a text I want to reply with a sticker. Earlier what we have to do is you need to swipe over here and tap on add, then select a sticker, then you can use a sticker on this specific text. But now it is very easy. All you have to do is just tap and hold the text, and from this drop down menu select add sticker, and voila, now you can add sticker like this. This is quite simple and handy feature, but important while you are chatting. Talking about stickers, Memoji also got updated. If I just tap over here, go down, select Memoji, and tap over here, edit, and if I just go here. So this is a body section we get. Most of the people are saying that this section got added due to the Apple Vision Pro, because in that AR/VR reality, this will gonna be your avatar and you can edit it according to yourself, and that is the reason they give this body section. So you can choose your waist, chest, shoulders, arms and whatnot else and customize it according to yourself, and once done, that's it. Another feature got improved with the name of communication safety. Now it lets you hide explicit stickers used in a chat. Earlier, if the stickers used were explicit, iOS couldn't able to recognize it and they were unblurred. But now with this update, communication safety got improved. Stickers, explicit stickers will be blurred out in our chat. Now let's see how to turn on this feature. We need to go into the settings, okay, and from here, tap on screen time and communication safety, and we need to toggle this on. Once toggled on, improve communication safety, and now the stickers will also be blurred if they are explicit in a chat. So now if you're talking about privacy and security and safety, there is one more feature we need to talk about, and that is in Apple ID, scroll down and contact key verification. What it does is, it verifies that the other person you're talking to is the intended guy, not a bot, which might risk your privacy and security or even your identity. So this feature is quite a helpful feature to know the other person is the right person you're talking to. Another small feature got added in the contact poster section, and if I just go over here and let me just cancel it first. Okay, so create a new one, and if I just go on monogram and tap on IGB, so we get a new option of rainbow text. So this got added in iOS 17.2, giving you more customization ability to make your contact poster your own. Now let's talk about fixes. So this update fixes wireless charging issue which was occurring in General Motor cars. Earlier they fixed with a patch for BMW cars, but now it's supposed to fix it for GM cars. Not only that, they also fixed Wi-Fi throttling issues. Many people were facing it that Wi-Fi signals were there, but speed wasn't proper. But I think with this update, that issue will be solved. So that's all guys. These were everything new features which got added in iOS 17.2. Which one is your favorite? Do let me know in the comments section. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any amazing content like this. And one more thing, go to App Store, download iGeeksblog app and enjoy everything Apple content and some amazing wallpapers. On this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, tata, see ya, bye-bye.